the healthcare insurance scheme is now under consultation, and soon the consultation period will end. We have to consider sustainability. In the past 3 years, we talked with the Health and Welfare Bureau, and now we would like to have a perfected scheme. For example, we should have better insurance policies to provide better protection for the insured. So basically, we support the proposals. There are 2 issues to resolve. The Food and Health Bureau did not honor his promise in the past term, and the $50 billion were not mobilized. As for first-time deduction and deduction for long-term insurance policies, they are not forthcoming, and that has deterred people, the insured. As regards the 12 major initiatives, we believe that they will be reflected on the premium. On the average, the premium will be $3,600 per year on the 2012 money terms. Soonest we'll get it in 2017, but as medical expenses are ever rising at a rate higher than the inflation rate, premium will rise from year to year. Therefore, the premium will exceed the assessment in 2012. And the older the person, the higher the premium will be. For the age bracket of 40 to 49, premium will be $4,750 for 6% increase for renewal. It will become $6,350. Given the 45% deviation mentioned by the consultant, the premium will jump to over $9,000, and according to the consultants, it will jump to $6,500 and then $9,000, and eventually increase to over $10,000. So if there are not sufficient financial incentives by providing first-time deduction and long-term deduction, you cannot attract healthy young people. You have to share risks and attract more young people to join the scheme in order to share out the risk, such that the scheme can be sustainable. If only high-risk persons join the scheme won't be sustainable. Another unresolved problem is that the industry can only sell products that satisfy the minimum requirements. As a result, low-premium, low-price products can't be sold in the market. I hope that we can understand that the Bureau is actually using its invisible hand to intervene with the market, such that members of the public cannot, in accordance with their own financial ability, make a choice. It is emphasized that to protect the public, products must satisfy those 12 minimum requirements, but the government is paving the road to health with good intentions. The issue is complicated. For the low-price insurance policies, they're badly in need in the market. Well, such low-price policies cannot provide sufficient protection. But why is it that so many people pursue them? Some of these insured took out the insurance years ago, but the protection, the coverage is not enough, so they take on another policy to enhance the protection. And that's why some people hold more than one policy. Another situation is that the employer has taken out insurance for the employee who deems that not enough, so the employee will take out another policy. And some chronically ill can only take out low-price policy to cover diseases not covered. Fourthly, some people don't think they will fall ill very easily, and they're not financially capable for high-priced policies, so they take out low-price policies. So there is a demand for low-price policies. If you don't allow them, then these people will only go back to public hospitals. Well, there may be hundreds of thousands of these people. So the ultimate medical and healthcare cost will be much higher. And without low-price policies, the small and medium insurance companies can compete with large companies, which will then monopolize the market. I don't think you want to see that happen. The insurance sector discussed this issue for many years, and many problems have been solved. We are just a step from success. So please consider our opinion. First of all, the $50 billion reserved for first-time deduction and long-term deduction, such that young people are willing to take out a policy. Then the scheme can be sustainable. Secondly, to abolish the mandatory requirement that insurance companies can only offer products that satisfy the 12 minimum requirements. To protect the consumers, the insurer can be required to disclose the difference in protection between low-priced policies and normal policies. That's another option. That is, the industry will use the 12 minimum requirements as a blueprint. Apart from, say, 2 of the requirements that cannot be sustainable, for the remaining, the industry can satisfy the requirements within the time frame and be put under the regulation of the IAA. Then members of the public will get most of the merits without having to pay a high premium. So it's worthwhile for the government to consider that. I hope that the Bureau will keep an open mind to discuss with the industry, and please have collective wisdom so that we can have enhanced healthcare insurance product with a higher transparency to protect the consumers.